Hey everyone, you're here with Mark on Perfect Gardens TV. So this is going to be a short one. I just want to send you over some pictures of what roots look like when you use our product BAM. BAM stands for Badass Microbes. And BAM is not just any type of inoculant. It was created with the raw materials that Drops Balance is also created on. So when you give BAM to your clones, seedlings, preteens, plants and flowering, any of these types of things, you're not just giving an inoculant, a bacterial product, but you're also giving ionosulfide minerals or coenzymes. And because of how long it takes to create our product, the entire time the bacteria are also already producing enzymes, which is the key. I just wanted to show you the difference that when you use BAM at any stage, seedlings, whatever it is, but this is just a representation. You can see the hyphae that comes off of the roots, how fibrous they are. And look at the difference, right? The other one, yes, fibers are starting, but think about that communication system that's happening, because that's what hyphae do. Hyphae create the communication between your roots and your soil system. And when all those hyphaes are going crazy right from the beginning, it's like having a little baby, right? That is healthy, wasn't born with any defects or any problems. They're just going to have a stronger life. You're going to be able to see the potential of this clone. The baby's going to be walking sooner, reading sooner, if given the right environment to grow to the best of its ability. While the other plant, it's going to have some issues growing up. It's probably going to be a little bit slower growing. You're going to have to spend more money and time to grow it with more electricity, because it's probably going to not to grow as fast, which means longer veg times. Then it's going to take longer for you to harvest, because you're going to want to grow it to a certain size, which costs more money, more electricity, more nutrients, more time. Then when you actually get to flowering, you might be 3 weeks, a month later. Anyways, I hope this video shows a great representation of our products that we create and how they're different from other products. Thanks so much and have a great grow.